Accounting can be a simple process or a comprehensive undertaking. Wiise provides you with the tools so your finance processes can be established and managed in a streamlined fashion. You need to start by setting up the core of the company's accounting records, the chart of accounts. Then you set up posting groups, which enables the process of assigning default general ledger posting accounts to customers, vendors, and items more efficiently. This is expanded further in our Intelligent Tracking with Dimensions video, where you can use dimensions to add different types of information to every transaction. You can set up your company's basic dimensions such as projects and departments. Let's begin with how to set up a new chart of accounts or add new accounts to an existing chart of accounts. Currently we're in the Business Manager Role Center, but this can be accessed by the Accountant Role Center as well. Either search for Chart of Accounts or refer to the ribbon like so. The General Ledger stores your financial data and the Chart of Accounts shows the accounts that all ledger entries are posted to. Wiise includes a standard chart of accounts that is ready to support your business. To navigate through the accounts, you can search like so. Accounts can be added individually by the New button. Here you can add a description, posting, and additional details against a single account. If you wish to add multiple fields, you can use the Edit List page. Here you can add multiple accounts as lines. For example, you can add your software expenses where your accounts don't line up like so. Account types provide the account structure of your chart of accounts. Look to the Cronus Company chart of accounts for an example. To format the chart of accounts after you set up the account, click Actions, Functions, Indent Chart of Accounts. Each account has a specific type to assist the design of the hierarchy of your general ledger. And now the accounts have been reviewed and 8340 has moved to the appropriate location. A unique account type is the total account. The totaling of this account is able to be separate for the number of this account. Here you can see examples of this account type. The structure of your chart of accounts establishes report designs such as the income statement and balance sheet. To run these reports, you can use the ribbon. Financial analysis reports take this design and compare it to budgets, previous periods, both as balances or net changes. Each report just needs a date filter. You can preview these reports and use shortcut formulas such as W for working date and CY for current year. Just search shortcuts in the help library to learn more. Thanks for watching our how-to video on the chart of accounts.